Now that we have Git Bash installed, we'll minimize this window, and we now have a Git Bash icon on our desktop. We'll double click that and open the command prompt window. This Git Bash window will allow us to interface and move our files with command lines. These are Linux command lines. These can also be used in Terminal on a Mac and also in Linux. I'm just going to pull this desktop window over here. This is the desktop view in window form. And we want to get here in Git Bash. And so first thing we need to do is find out where we are. So I'm going to type pwd, which is print working directory. And it's going to show me I'm in the C drive in the users folder in the Aaron folder. So probably if you're doing this at home, it'll show your personal folder wherever you're at in the users folder. And I want to see all of the files in this folder. So I'm going to type ls, and that's going to display a long list of all kinds of files and folders that are in my user directory. And I'm trying to get to my desktop folder, and I see here it is. It's in this directory. So I'm going to call directory by pressing CD and then typing desktop, which is the name of the folder, pressing enter. That's going to move me into the desktop folder. So now I'm in the same location as my window here. I've navigated to the desktop window essentially with code through the code through using Git Bash. Now I'm going to create a new folder in the window. We've all done that before, but now let's do that in Git Bash. We can see it's listed here. We see that the new folder is now, in the updated list. And we're going to make a new folder with the code. So we type mkdir, make directory, and we're going to call this test folder, test 1, 2, 3. And we see now it's populated in our desktop window. It's been created in real time here. And we're going to double click and enter there. Navigate into the test123 folder. And now let's call that folder here with our code. Oh, it didn't work. No such file. Oh, we put a space in here. If you do enter a wrong code or a bad command, it will prompt you very quickly. So let's try again. CD test123 without the space. We see with our list command that there are no files in here. The folder is empty. So let's make a folder. Make dir test 456. And this is going to populate in real time. It just created a folder test 456 in the test 123 folder. So let's drill down into that folder with our Git Bash terminal here. And now we've gone into the folder. Let's navigate with our window here. We see that we are in the same location on both. Print working directory, we're in test 456, and I see here I'm in test 456. But what if we want to go back? We type call directory ... So cd ... is essentially the exact same thing as navigating with your Explorer and pressing the up button. It moves you into the folder that the subfolders are within.